car is unlocked. However, cannot open it. That's a problem which I'm observing, so I'm trying to heat up the whole thing. So now it's still not too hot, so it's partially frosty bits, but it's still the temperature outside is about 0, so it's not negative, or it's -1, the worst case. The problem is when you heat it from outside, it doesn't really work very efficiently, so I also try to heat the port from that little hole when the seats are attached. So when you pull the seat down and you blow in this hole, my theory is that build up temperature inside this cavity when it's the locking device, so you eventually can unlock. So we'll see how long it's gonna take. Yesterday I tried for 5 minutes, it didn't work. We'll see it today. Just in case, we try to set and reset, so we're gonna lock it and unlock it, and still it's pretty locked. Probably 10ish minutes. Let's see if few unlocks and locks. And I hit it from inside, hit it from outside. And I actually pull it from there a bit, hold it like this, and put the floor from the hairdryer to get in. And finally, so I think the water which builds up, that thing there, so basically if you hit it at that part, that slowly may bring the heat, even though this plastic, and bring it to there. So if you see, there's a tiny little amount of water there, little droplets. The problem is that one is sealed, so even if you try to blow it, if you don't pull it, the air will not go through and try to actually warm up that part, which is frozen. So that's a problem. Sometimes that's a problem, you cannot close it to the morning. I can just stop this now, it's too loud. Yeah, so that's a problem. MG4 winter time, even though I try to keep that dry, I even put sometimes a cloth around it just to keep it from the moisture. This is still, I couldn't charge it last night, so happily I keep larger charge, so it's, yeah. So I tried to see inside, and so that's supposed to be a little protector, and at the same time is a part of the mechanism which is locking. It's like a pen mechanism, like the pencils have the pens, and if I click it in, I still see some water and pieces of ice inside. So I guess I'm gonna push it a few times. I'm gonna dry it with the hair dry as far as I can, and I'll spray a bit of a silicone lubricant or something which doesn't basically froze, and it's and perhaps that's gonna help to not freeze again, because that's really a nasty problem. It's definitely getting in. Now it works, but I'm pretty sure if the temperature drops below 0, that's gonna freeze again. Okay, we're gonna little assist. So I'm gonna press this button and I'll spray the silicone in. And now of course I need to clear that up, the mess, because the silicone oil is designed to penetrate basically everywhere. It has a very thin molecule and it goes everywhere. So I hope the plastics will not be sensitive, and they normally are not sensitive to this one. However, if it's a standard oil, it's highly likely going to cause problems with the plastics. So I clear this one up. Now let's try it. And now of course works fine. A little bit, it should be there, so I can see the oil, which is good. And hopefully
it won't stack again.
Yes. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. But please consider options here if I'm making some mistake. And if you think that something is wrong, don't do it. But yeah, I think that should help a little bit, at least.